Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, September 4th, 2018. Hopefully everyone had a nice, enjoyable, long holiday weekend, and we're ready to get back and get after things in school. Taking a look at our homework this evening. In math, the regular classes have independent practice 1.2, pages 17 and 18, problems 15 through 23. However, fourth period, you do not have this assignment. Honors math, you will have details in class. You will be also doing lesson 1.2. In science, both classes, you have to do the assignment called Boy in the Water. It is on your Chromebook, and you need to make sure that you submit it and turn it in. In social studies, after we did our SLO today for data for Mr. Canfield, you started an Atlas worksheet, pages 1 and 2, that you need to use your Atlas for. If you did not finish that in class, you need to do that for homework this evening. In language arts, we need to read over the 6th grade orientation slides, as there will be a quiz tomorrow. In literature, there is no homework this evening. And also, you need to bring back your FCCLA letter to your Warrior Time teacher by this Friday, September the 7th. That's it for today. Make it a great Tuesday.